Whoa!
Look how fast it's going, man. That is awesome.
Yeah.
I wonder what that guy's doing.
He's learning.
How do you work this thing?
He's just probably gonna like disappear. Is that truck?
It's gonna wind tunnel.
Oh, look at him. Watch him, watch him.
I think you guys running. There's.
I want my money back.
There's an outhouse though. Hope no one's in there.
Might be a hurricane. Seriously.
This is our beach.
I like big beaches and getting outside. Maybe that outhouse is like washed up.
I've been driving on the beach before and got the car stuck.
I don't know how much further I should go.
If you stay on the hard stuff, you won't get stuck.
Yeah, I just don't know where the soft stuff is.
Well, don't go left. I would stick it like right where you're at, probably. As long as you keep a decent speed, you won't get stuck either.
Ones that use estrogen logs.
Yeah. And then Nathan said the ones that use estrogen logs.
Let me talk to her again.
Are you okay? Breathe. Are you okay?
Alright. Oh my god.
That would hurt.
Right, I guess he wants to try to attempt to talk to you again.
Say hello.
Okay, you okay with that? Alright.
Hello, you still there? Alright, just want to make sure. Hi. I don't think I properly introduced myself.
That's all up in his face.
My name is Ryan Winter. I come from the land down under. Oh, 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 oh,
Will you stop it?
Hey, where are you at right now? Are you in Texas?
Louisiana.
Oh yeah, that's right. Yeah, we were talking about the hurricane last